Hey, it's Ariana. In this video, I'll share with you how to rotate a page element. To follow along, you'll need a WebStarts account. You can sign up and create one for free by visiting WebStarts.com. If you already have an account, log in, hover above the site thumbnail, and click Edit Site. I'm going to place a banner on my homepage and rotate it slightly. Clicking the Add button, I locate the box and drag it into its place. Using the handles, I'm going to resize the box into a ribbon shape. Next, I'm going to change the box to red. Then I'm going to drag some text into that box. I'll reposition this text a little bit to get it centered on my red background. I'm going to make that text white. I still need to adjust the box and the text a little bit. It's time to rotate these elements. Click the rotate handle and drag it the direction you want to rotate. And now I'll save my page and click View Site to see what this looks like when it's published. That's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and visit WebStarts.com to create your very own free website.